Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So let me address real quick. I don't have my wedding rings on, but I do wear this band when I am working out because I don't like to wear my rings and I don't want to risk damaging them. So today we're going to do a plan with me from the week of the 28th of May to the 3rd of June. And I'm going to use this kit from BeaYoutiful Planning. This is a printable kit. I really like the blues, blacks, and golds together. So I wanted to go ahead and use that. Plus, I am now filming with my new Canon Rebel T6i that my husband bought me for our anniversary. So I wanted to go ahead and use that. And I am going to be using this washi from Simply Gilded. As you can see, I have yet to open it, but I think it would go perfect with this kit because of the black and gold. And this is a marble black and gold kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay everything down and I will be right back for the pre-planning. planning. So on Monday, we are off, and I know I haven't put the date dots down, but the 28th is Memorial Day, so we do not have work on that day. And so I'm going to go ahead and put like I normally do, and I'm going to put down Coffee Monday. And I don't really have a blue that matches this kit, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this gray here, and that's going to be for Coffee Monday. And then I am going to upload this plan with me. So let's go ahead and use a label here. All right, and then we'll use a Coffee Monsters Co. Upload sticker. Where are you? Okay, so we'll put that right over here. And then my daughter doesn't have any gymnastics, and so there's not much else left to do on Monday. So let's go ahead and move on to Tuesday. We're back to work. And I know that I have a couple things, but my day is going to be completely crazy. So I'm not going to annotate anything there because I'm not sure what's going to stick on the schedule and what's not. So Wednesday, as we all know, is trash day. So let's see if the kit has a... So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a... Sorry, my camera just shut off, so it's a good thing this camera tells me when it's shutting off. The last one did not, so I am grateful for that. So let's go ahead, and these are when Erica G Designs was a printed shop. Now they're printables, but we're going to go ahead and use this gray wash machine because the other ones really don't match. And we're going to put Laundry Day right here. And I don't have a whole lot of like foiled icons yet, which I'm in the works of getting. So Thursday is the 31st. I do again have a couple meetings, but again, because they're not permanent, I'm gonna well, you know, my schedule can change. I'm just gonna leave that as is. And then on Friday we like to do a family event, so I'm going to use this marquee to annotate that here. And then what I'm going to do is use a piece of washi right behind it. And then we'll use that as our family time for the week. So let's go ahead and put this down here. Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I really don't have a whole lot of plans, but you guys know on Sunday I normally do my grocery shopping. So let me use a the Coffee Monsters Co. Walmart icon or Walmart character sticker. And that's where I typically do a lot of... So we use this little guy here because he is cute. And then we also do cleaning that day as well. But I do have some new, which I'm so excited about. And you guys, if you haven't seen this, I got this from Michael's. It is a recollection sticker book, and I really love it. So right now there's a mixture of things, but I'm going to use my Fox and Cactus. I can't remember which girl this is, but I'm going to use my Fox and Cactus girl cleaning the dishes or cleaning, and we're going to put it right here because it's also a huge cleaning day for me or for the family. And that is about it for this plan with me. So I hope that you enjoyed this plan with me. I'm really excited about this foil here. I will put the date dots in later on. But yeah, so that is this week's plan with me, and I will see you or speak to you in the next video. Bye.